Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add extra baggage in Singapore Airlines. First, go to singaporeair.com or open the Singapore Airlines app. Log in to your KrisFlyer account if you have one. You can enjoy special discounts on extra baggage. Go to Manage Booking, enter your booking reference and last name. Then open your trip details. Click Add Baggage and choose how many kilos you want to buy. The earlier you buy, the cheaper it is, up to 25% off. Complete the payment and you're all set. You can add baggage up to 6 hours before your flight. And that's it. That's how to add extra baggage in Singapore Airlines. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.